Hello everybody! Welcome to Italy! While we visit Italy, we will be learning the Tarantella dance. I'm going to break this dance down for you into 5 easy steps, and then when we've learned all the parts, we'll come back together and dance to music. Alright, let's go! So first, grab your tambourines that you made at home in your kit. We're going to start by holding them at our belly. Our first step is heel, heel, toe, toe, 1, 2, 3, touch. Then we repeat on the other foot, heel, heel, toe, toe, 1, 2, 3, touch. And we're going to do that again. Heel, heel, toe, toe, 1, 2, 3, touch. Again, heel, heel, toe, toe, 1, 2, 3, touch. Now, the music is sort of fast, so it's going to be a little upbeat, a little quick, so let me do it at tempo for you. It'll be like this. Heel, heel, toe, toe, 1, 2, 3, touch. Heel, heel, toe, toe, 1, 2, 3, touch. Great! Now, if you still need time to practice this move, pause the video, rewind, and go back. But for now, I'm going to move on to step 2. So step 2 is my favorite. We are going to put one hand on our hip. We're going to hold our tambourine in the other hand, and we're just going to spin. And it looks like this. You can shake them while you're spinning and stop. And then we're going to go the other way. Shake them, spin, and stop. And the other way. Shake them, spin, and stop. And the other way. Shake them, spin, and stop. Perfect. Again, if you need to practice this step again, pause the video, practice it a few times, and come back for step 3. All right, ready for step 3. We are going to take our tambourine, shake it low all the way over our head, high, and clap, clap twice. Then we're going to shake it down and bring it in front of our bellies. And do it again. Low, over our heads, high, clap, clap, shake it down, and bring it in front of our bellies. That's step 3. Pretty easy, right? I'm sure you don't have to practice that one again. Step 4. Heel, heel, toe, toe, slap the foot, slap the foot. Other side. Heel, heel, toe, toe, slap the foot, slap the foot. Other side. Heel, heel, toe, toe, slap the foot, slap the foot. Other side. Heel, heel, toe, toe, slap the foot, slap the foot. Other side. Nice. Okay, so that is going to be up tempo as well. Let's do it quickly. Here we go. Heel, heel, toe, toe, slap, slap. 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 Great! Only one more step. Pause the video if you need to do step 4 again. If not, let's move on to step 5. It's the very last step of our dance today. It comes at the very end of the song. So we're going to hold our tambourines high over our heads, and we're going to step 1, 2, 3, and clap. 1, 2, 3, and clap. 1, 2, 3, and clap. And 1, 2, 3, and clap. And there you have it. You have learned the Tarantella dance. Let's all dance together. All right, you can start. Heel, heel, toe, toe. 1, 2, 3, touch. 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 And spin. Other way. Other way. Again. Back to our heel, heels. Great job, everybody!